Hi, hi. My name is Karanjit Singh. I'm from Thapar University, and I have created a call blocker app, an Android app, during the 6 weeks training I had at CDEC Mohali. So here's the front page of the app. Um, the main function of the app is to store the numbers and then block them, the unwanted numbers that you have stored in the app, from calling you. First of all, as you can see, there's currently no numbers available in the app. When if you want to add numbers, you have to add phone number to auto block. It will ask the country code that you can fill in for each country, and it will also ask you the phone number for your phone number. Once you're done, you can say submit, or if you filled it wrong, you can press reset. Right, and then hit submit, and it will ask you whether is this the only number you want to add, because this number has been added now, or do you want to add more. So this is where you have the option to either say add more or say this is all you want to add. I'm just gonna say this is all I want to add. So there you can see the serial number and the number that has been added uh, to the call blocker. Now whenever this number calls, the call blocker will stop it completely from ever calling you. So you can either add more phone numbers to it now, or you can completely, or you can just work with it with what you have. So now looking at the code of the call block. This is how I used Android Studios on Mac and to design this app. As you can see, the app, here's the XML uh, main activity file, the XML file. And this is the layout of the front page of the app. Here's another XML file. This is the block list app, where you actually saw the number being added, the serial number and all that. This is the main block list. I use database SQL to enter different components to it. To store data. Here's the Android manifest file, the major XML file of the whole. The Android manifest file has all the functions the functions that are connected to the front end. There are also little lines generated by Android Studios. Now moving on to the main activity file. This is where all the main calculations happen. As you can see, I have different functions. Setting up content, the button of the blacklist number, what actually happens behind the button, how does that data actually move in, and how to print no records found. Also, if you do not have any messages stored up on this app, and do not have any numbers stored up on this app, and you try to find something, it will say no record found. And if you try to enter incomplete fields, right, without entering the country name or the phone number, and you try to submit it, it will say, it will show up a message that you cannot do so. So that all happens here. The rest of the app's basically all about. Rest of the app is basically all about functionalities, where the tables created. This is the blacklist. And this is the blacklist table. Up here is some SQL functions. SQL database. I'm using database helper. That's up, that's also there. There's call bearing. How to whether to cut the call or not. This is where it's decided. And here's the blacklist, the actual list, what qualifies or not. And add to blacklist. This takes the numbers that you have entered in the blacklist and adds it to the actual table, the database table. Before giving you a blacklist. So this is the code for that. And that's about it. Thank you for listening to me. And this is my app that I made during the summer. Thank you.